Hey Alex, how are you? It's Rick Mills with Execution Digital. Good to talk to you earlier today. Hey, like I said, I wanted to shoot you this video about your online presence. Um, these are just three tips and tricks that might help you get more customers. I'll be perfectly honest with you. You obviously know your stuff. It's actually good to talk to a business owner that's been through this and knows knows what we do and kind of how it works. Also, sorry to hear that you've been burned a couple times, but definitely not my intention here. Just want to give you a quick video, and if you want to chat some more about this and ask me some questions, I'd like to do that as well. But let me jump right into this. I want to cover three things. Number one, we'll talk content. Number two, we'll talk citations. And number three, we're going to talk backlinks. So one, content. Like I said, I'll shoot you straight. Your website's really good. I like the look of it. It looks fantastic. You've got great content on here. Actually saw that you've got this video, which is really cool. I actually used to work at Channel 2 there in Houston, so thought that was pretty cool. But nice video. Like that you have that on here. You've got great content. So a rule of thumb with Google, you want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. Check. You've got that checked off. You do have over 1,500 words on your homepage. That is, something that Google gives a lot of authority to when they're reading your site, when their bots are scrolling your site, and at the end of the day, ranking you on the first page of Google for keywords. So we don't need to talk about content too much. You've got a lot of good content, great pictures. Even the fact that you have your images, your pictures optimized the right way. I did check that, and you're good to go there. So not a lot to say there. So I'll jump into citations next, right? So we did talk about the Google Map Pack on our phone call when we talked earlier. Again, obviously, we're looking at buyer intent keywords, right? And when we talk buyer intent keywords, all that means, so I type in, I know you're looking, between a 15 and 20 mile radius around your location there. So I was looking at Spring, Texas, tree service, Spring, Texas. If somebody's typing that in, they live in Spring, in or around Spring, and they're looking to get their trees done or tree removal done. So that's buyer intent, of course. And so, of course, the first thing they're going to see here are these ads. Ads are fine. I don't know if you've done those in the past. We do Google ad campaigns as well. But that again, that's pay to play. You've got to pay for it to work out, and sometimes that can get a little frustrating. So what we really focus on is the organic side of things. Again, looking at this Google Map Pack, we want to have you in here for Spring, Texas, for a keyword like tree service, Spring, Texas, and the fact that you are right there off FM 1960. We should have you in this map pack in the top three. Honestly, I looked. I think I looked in the top 40 and I didn't see you in there. So if I missed that, I'm sorry. But like I said, nobody's clicking more businesses to look who else is in this map pack, right? They're going to see who these top three is, and then they're going to scroll past there and see, what businesses are showing up organically, local businesses that are showing up on this first page. So I see Texas Tree Elite right here at the top. But again, going back to citations, before I jump into that, citations all it is your name, address, and phone number, the way it's listed on the web, right? And so what we do is I have software I can go in and see, what citations these businesses have. So we make sure that you get signed up in those directories. But we also double down, and we want to get you a lot more than your competition here. So when Google does scroll that, they're giving you the authority and putting you here in this top three. So that's how we do that, or one of the ways that we do that. Finally, we'll talk about backlinks. I know that you've obviously had some know how to do that, and so we're looking at the one of the top local businesses on this search word, Texas Tree Elite. I'll compare that here in a second. But as you can see, this is actually, let me explain this. This is a software that I have where I'm able to look at websites analytics to see what's working, what's not, what's good, what's bad. And So this is your, your URL here, tree removal near me Houston.com. Very crafty that you did that. And as you can see here, you have 785 backlinks. So what does that tell me? It tells me that you or whoever you have hired to do this is understands the power of backlinks and getting those words searched, on the first page of Google. What I'm going to click on here, these are organic keywords here that you are ranking for, okay, because of that work with those backlinks. So obviously, tree removal Houston, a key word for you. Just to explain this real quick, it's this volume, 250 searches for tree removal Houston TX a month. So that's 250 searches. Out of that, you're getting 12 click-throughs to your website. Okay, that's good. I mean, at least you're seeing click-throughs, and I'm sure that's bringing you some business. I feel like we could get you a lot more by getting you ranked up a little bit higher. You're in the 8th spot there, so that is towards the bottom of the first page. What I wanted to do was, because I'm showing you Spring, Texas, I just wanted to find a Spring, Texas keyword. Let's see if I can do that real quick. Here we go. Tree service Spring, Texas here. Okay. So that's 150 searches per month. That's still a really high volume of searches. You are getting 2 leads out of that, or 2 click-throughs from that. And why is it so small? Because you're ranked on the second page there, 14. So that's definitely something we would go after and get you ranked relatively quickly. I know that you wanted some, what is the timing on that? I can get you ranked. I would definitely feel comfortable telling you that I can get you ranked on the first page in the first 3 months of using our SEO services. So with that said, I just wanted to show you, this is Texas Tree Elite. So kind of comparing your site to theirs. Again, I was just pulling up their organic keywords. Here's tree service Spring, Texas, right? Same thing. It's the same word, 150 searches. Now they're getting 10 click-throughs a month. And why is that? There's 6 on that page. So that gives you a little idea. I just wanted to give you a feel of what I do. Would definitely like to talk to you further about getting you in this map pack, because as we all know, this is a gem, can bring you a lot of business and a lot of new leads. But I hope you liked the video. Like I said, if you just leave me some feedback, just shoot me back an email. If you wanted to give me a call and chat, I'd love to do that as well. Anyway, Alex, good to talk to you. Hope you have a great day and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.